Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Getting Over It with a mouse on an Android device. This method allows for precise control, mimicking the personal computer experience. You will need a USB mouse and an OTG adapter to connect it. Ensure your Android phone or tablet supports USB on-the-go functionality for this setup. We will cover connecting the hardware, adjusting in-game settings, and offering tips for mastering the challenging gameplay. Get ready to conquer that mountain with enhanced accuracy. Connecting your mouse is a straightforward process. First, take your USB on-the-go adapter and plug its male end into your Android device's charging port. Next, connect your standard wired USB mouse to the female port of the OTG adapter. Within a few seconds, a mouse cursor should appear on your Android screen, confirming that the connection is successful and your device recognizes the peripheral. This simple step is crucial for precise gameplay. Once your mouse is connected, launch Getting Over It and access the game's internal settings menu. Here, you will find options to adjust mouse sensitivity. Experiment with different levels to find what feels most comfortable and allows for the most precise control over the hammer. For an optimal experience, you might also want to disable any on-screen touch controls, which can clutter the interface and potentially interfere with your mouse input. A clean screen helps focus on the game. Mastering Getting Over It with a mouse requires patience and practice. Utilize small, deliberate mouse movements to achieve fine control over the hammer, especially for delicate maneuvers. Take time to understand the game's unique physics, learning how momentum and subtle movements affect your progress. Remember, this game is famously difficult, so focus on precision over speed. With consistent practice, you will improve your ability to navigate the challenging terrain and overcome obstacles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.